All right, hey, Steve here from Lightnin RV. I want to show you a floor plan that's just a little different than what you're used to. This is the 29 QB 25 model from Forest River. It is a gray wolf. Let me tell you what's unique about this. This is a true 2-bedroom trailer, very usual. Not unusual to find like a separate bunk room or something like this. This is a true 2-bedroom camper. So outside, you're gonna have some storage. You're gonna have these reflective windows. It's really gonna cut down on your heat going inside the camper by like 30-some-odd%. Huge awning. Awning is 15.5 feet long. You can have the TPMS binders on the wheels. You're gonna have self-adjusting brakes. Got a little area out here with a fridge and ice maker. You can set your own grill on here, or cook right here if you want. Come around the side, you're going to see little dog leash. Got your drop down tailgate. Put your generator, firewood, or your grill on here, or maybe it's some kid bikes. Comes with a spare tire already. More storage. You got a huge slide out. This slide is very large. Big windows inside, which we'll show you that in just a minute. And you're going to have the tank room hot water heater. And a little outdoor shower if you live off dog paws or some sandy kids been to the beach for the day. You can rinse those off. I said tankless hot water. And you're going to have this frame is very unique because it is a hook bolted style frame. Gusseted end to end, not just your gussets go all the way out to the edge of the camper. Makes it more stable. A little bit better frame. Let's go inside. I want to show you this true 2-bedroom travel trailer. Okay, so in here, typical Cherokee, you get a big U-shaped dinette, very comfortable sit, makes a good bed. You have a jackknife sofa. You can put a toddler on here. These are kind of cool. We call them the zebra blinds. Basically, you stop them wherever you want to, if you want the light to come in or not. And then darken. Really neat. These new refrigerators are ambidextrous. You can open from either side. Okay. Left side. You do have something neat here. The air fryer. It's an air fryer, microwave, convection all in one. So 3-in-1. It's a really cool sink thing where you can wash your veggies. Got an upside down thing here to wash your glass washer. And of course this will come out, wash around. Cherokee is known for always having a very huge pantry. You can put a lot of food items in here. All right, now I want to talk about what really makes this thing unique. Okay, you have your bathroom, which, you know, everyone's got a bathroom. You should go ahead and check that out. I like the new angle shower. Gives you a little more room in there when you're showering. Skylight above for the tall people. King size RV King. If you're wanting that bigger bed, we've got it. Okay, now what I promised you is unique about this floor plan. 29 QB has an extra queen bed. So it's private, right back here. So, walk in here, you have your own queen size bed. Not a bunk room, a true second bedroom, plenty of closet space. So if you have an extra guest, maybe one family member snores, they're going to come back here. You want to have a go outing with another couple, they can have their own space as well. So this is a really unique floor plan and being a true 2-bedroom camper. I want you to like and subscribe our videos and just check us out at lightninrv.com. Thanks.